how to turn on or turn off weather info in customized apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Customization Service. After click on Customization Service, you will see weather is here. If you want to turn off weather, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see weather is turned off. If you want to turn on weather, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see weather is turned on. You will turn on or turn off weather from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off weather info in customized apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.